1989. Dear Diary, I believe I'm a good person. You know, I think that there's good in everyone. But here we are, first day of senior year. And I look around at these kids that I've known all my life and ask them, what makes love? Burn up, bodies, poser, lotus. We're so kind, happy and shine, great, I can get changed. Freaks, love, losers, show us. Singing and clapping, laughing and napping, baking cookies, eating cakes. Whole life stuck up, hunchback. Then we got bigger, that was a trigger, like the hunted waiting wrong. Oh, sorry. Welcome to my school, is it no high school? This is the Thunderdome. Hold your breath and count the days you're driving soon. White trash, college will be paradise if I'm not there by truth. But I know, life can be beautiful. I pray for a better way. If we're kind before, we can be kind once more. Can be beautiful. Just not today. Hey, are you okay? Oh, okay. Things up, trickle, to get better as soon as my leg comes from Harvard to Repérant. From this coma, take my diploma, and I can bust down. Keep on fighting, cotton balls and smoky French cafes. 5 years, like a mansion, sentence on the place. Brown Sweeney, 3rd year as linebacker and 8th year of smacking lunch tricks and being a huge dick.
What did you say, Miss Gang?
Ah, nothing. But I know, can be beautiful. I pray for a better way. We were kind before, we can be kind once more. We can be beautiful. Ah! Hey, Martha. Martha Dunstruck. My best friend since diapers. Yeah, you're in Chippy Pop detail. Again. Wait, don't you have it memorized by now?
What can I say? I'm a sucker for a happy ending.
Kurt Kelly, quarterback. He is the smartest guy in the football team, which is kind of being like the tallest dwarf. Hey, pick it up right now.
Are you actually talking to me?
Yes, I am. I want to know what gives you the right to pick on my friend. You're a high school has-been waiting to happen, a future gas station attendant.
Have you sit right there?
Dear Diary,
Why act like such a creep? Somebody help me, somebody fix me, somebody save me, send me a sign up, give me some hope here, something to live for.
really well. We're helping her.
Not without the whole class. A week's attention.
Actually, Miss Fleming, all four of us are our own whole pass yearbook committee.
Oh, I see. You're all listed. Now hurry up and get where you're going.
This is an excellent forgery. Who are you?
Veronica Sawyer, I create a boom.
What's boom?
Let me sit at your table at lunch, just once, not talking necessary. If people think you guys tolerate me, then they'll leave me alone. And before you answer, I also do report cards, permission slips, and absence notes.
How about prescriptions? Shut up, Heather.
Sorry, Heather.
For a reasonable nobody, do a simple structure.
And a symmetrical face. If I took a meat cleaver down the center of your skull, I'd have matching clothes. That's very important.
Of course you can stand to lose a few pounds. And you know, this could be beautiful. Mascara, maybe some lip gloss, and we're on our way. Got this girl some blush, and Heather, I need your brush. Let's make her beautiful. Let's make her beautiful. Let's make her beautiful. Okay?
Okay.
I'm already in one trouble.
You're gonna die after me. Don't you dare touch me. Wait for a bird.
What did I ever do?
I got some love this.
I can say this.
Who's that was that? Mi sa punkt. Mi sa punkt 2. Mi sa and someone It's been 3 weeks since I became friends with the Heathers. Friends isn't the right word exactly. It's more like the Heathers are people I've worked with, and our job is being popular with it.
Veronica, Heather says to haul us to the cafe pronto.
How very...
Veronica, I need a forgery in Ram Sweeney's handwriting. You will need something to write on. Heather, bend over. Hi, honey. I've been watching you and thinking about us in the old days. I hope you can come to my homecoming party this weekend. Miss you, Ram. I will put an XO over the signature.
What's this for anyway?
Do you remember how Ram used to hang with Martha Dumptruck?
In kindergarten, yeah, we all did.
Well, we all didn't kiss and keep Bufffield.
Oh my god, that's right, I totally forgot. Ram kissed Martha Dumptruck. It was disgusting.
Perfect. Ram, come here!
What do you think Heather wants?
Please, sweetie, give this note to Martha Dumptruck for me.
What? No.
Since when do you talk that large ass?
Don't read it. She's been having some extra heavy flow and wanted some advice from my gyno.
Ugh.
Martha's had a thing for Ram for like 12 years. This will kill her. Come on, Heather, you're bigger than this.
Are we gonna have a problem? You got a bone to pick? everyone here can watch. But I'm feeling nice, here's some advice, listen up, biatch.